Hello and welcome back to HardReset's Quick Godot. Today I'll show you how to change path naming convention. Let's begin. So let's start with opening Godot, and as you can see, my example project here actually have a path name with snake case. And by default, whenever we create a new game project, you can see that we are using kebab-case here. So how can we change those naming conventions so we don't have to manually change them every single time? Well, actually, it's very easy. All you want to do is simply head into these settings in the top right corner. And at the very bottom, we have directory naming convention. As I said, by default, it is kebab-case. You can change it to snake case, camelCase, PascalCase, or title case. I wouldn't really advise you using title case. This is because we don't really like empty spaces in programming. So it's better to have an underscore, for example, or no empty space whatsoever, like in camelCase or Pascal's case. But yeah, now all you want to do is close, and whenever you create a new game project, your naming convention should be changed. And yeah, that's all for the tutorial. Leave a comment, like the video, and good luck on your game dev journey.